for the last time. You can't keep leaving your dirty clothing. Oh. September 13th, 2008. Today, Mommy and
I watched the clouds turn to animals at the park. November 10th, 2008. Today was my birthday. Everyone came to my party. Mommy got me a journal so I can still write after I finish this one. Mommy and I walked on a huge trail that goes around the park. I never knew it was so big. Then we went to the fountain and I made a wish.
September 2nd, 2016. It was supposed to be a good time. When you're new, you try to fit in. So I thought, what better way than to go to a party? I went on a whim, gut feeling. Also, Mason was supposed to be going. Ever since I came to the school, he's all the girls talk about. He's popular. Too popular to even know my name. So when he looked at me with those eyes, I had to. I thought my gut was finally telling me something good was going to happen. So I followed, blindly, like a sheep.
Wait, what about your girlfriend?
I broke up with her. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Come on, Arhit. No one's gonna know, I promise.
Why did I do it? I thought he meant it. The sweet tone of his voice.
Close your eyes.
The way his hands held me. Every compliment. Every promise. I should have known as soon as he said that. I didn't think I was the next pawn in the game they love to play.
Open.
Mason?
All eyes were on me and my stupid decision. It was already uploaded by the time I ran home. Now it's everywhere. I'm everywhere. The view count won't stop rising. All those people and no one thought to help me? Or report the video? September 14th, 2016. After school, I went to the park my mom and I went to when I was younger. Going there always used to clear my mind, and I could really use that right about now. I thought I might actually be okay until... First a video, now shame? As if I didn't have enough already. Every word pushes me down deeper and deeper. How am I supposed to go on? Just keep hoping it goes away? I don't think it will anymore. There's only so much a person can take. Only so much I can take. September 30th, 2016. Jennifer is sending messages, each hitting deeper than the last. I've lost count at how many. She's burying me. They all are. I can feel their words sitting on my chest, pinning me down. I can't do it anymore. I can't function when they all want to see me under their control, under their thumb. I'm consumed. Swallowed whole. No way out anymore. They're right, aren't they? Let them be. If only there was someone who could help Mason and Jennifer. To help all of them. To let me be their last victim.
sweetie. How was your day?
Fine.
Aren't you hungry?
No, I must have eaten too much at school today. Can I be excused? I gotta go study for this test.
How was the party?
It's whatever.
Good night.